So today, let's think about how to complete an article summary. So we will begin in this area by filling in the article title. On this line, we would include the source information and the date, and you want to make sure you include the author. So after you read, you're going to complete the summary chart here. So that is going to include who or what is the focus of the article. Then they did or will do what, when they will do it, where they have done this, why they have done this, and how they have done this. After you've completed the summary box, you write your topic sentence. Remember, this has to be a complete sentence, and it basically will be a summary of the central idea of the article. Then we want to fill in our details section. Remember that your details are not complete sentences. These are written in note form, and these would include up to 4 key points from the article that developed the central idea. Once you've completed that section, you would take a look at your concluding sentence. Again, this has to be a complete sentence in this area. And this is the so what for the article. This is where we're taking the article beyond the classroom. Why is this information even important? For example, in our recent article of the week, herd behavior, we're really taking a look at how people lose their individuality in a group. And that can be really dangerous, and people can manipulate that. So we would want that information in the so what section here. Remember that you have an example article summary to take a look at, and you have a procedure chart also that kind of walks you step by step through how to do the article summary.